How to make tahini at home. Look at this 100% pure tahini with no additives, no oil, no flour, no peanuts, nothing at all. I take my sesame seeds, set it to 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, and stir it every 15 minutes. If I use this grinder, it takes exactly 4 minutes to turn into tahini. If I don't have one at home, what do? I use a coffee grinder like this, put in 5 or 6 spoonfuls, and blend it, and keep shaking it until it turns into a powder. But it has to be a good quality one, and stir it occasionally, as you can see. Open it, stir it, and it turns into a paste. I'll add more, exactly. It takes 1 cup of sesame seeds, 140 grams. This grinder holds 140 grams. Stir it and cover it. Stir and cover, exactly. It takes about 9 minutes. Of course, I stir and then pause for a bit. Look, it has turned into a paste. No oil, no flour, no anything. For the people on keto, people who eat healthy food. 100% tahini for free at home, and I'm 1,000,000% sure of it. Please pray for mercy for my mother and father. I hope if you found the video useful, you'll share it, support us, and leave a comment so we can grow.